Welcome back to Cole Gaming with another Clash Royale video. And if you look here and read the chat, you see that I've already said to say hi to YouTube and all that. The thing is, I just recorded a whole 7-minute video, and I guess my screen recording app crashed or something. Game screen recorder crashed or something, and it just didn't video all the way, so we're doing another one. Now, the first video was about my new thing, the lightning spell, and its damage and all that stuff, and I was just testing it out because I just got it, so I guess we'll do a couple more battles with it. I'll try to make it sound like I just got it first time I've used it, like in the last video, because first time I had used it. So we'll go with that there, this there. I'll do this there, that there. Inferno Tower dead. Ha. Okay, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Hogrider to the rescue. Put my skeleton over there to take him out. Oh, but he's got the P.E.K.K.A. Pika, P.E.K.K.A, whatever you want to call it. I've heard it both ways still. Man. No, it's not worth it. I put that way up there, my recording thing up there, so I don't accidentally click stop when I'm trying to click about the Valkyrie or something. Now here's what I didn't like about the lightning spell. Watch. It hits it dead in center. Oh. Well, the other times I used the other one, it hit dead in center and did one off to the side, which I did not like. This time it didn't even bother to do that. For some reason, I'm trying to lure that guy away, so can get him. Was the plan to lure the witch away so that the baby dragon could get him, but come on. Oh, I guess I can just do that lightning spell for the win. Nice. Got that dub. That 3-star. Plus 29 trophies. I'm trying to get into the next arena, which is... See, you can see where I got my 1 trophy right. Next arena is Spell Valley. I'll do one in Inferno Dragon, though. Or a Lava Hound. I mean, they're legendaries. Why wouldn't I want them? I do really want him, and then I got friends who say the best thing out of this one is the poison and the mirror and these, I don't know what they're called. The Sparky's supposed to be good. But yeah, if I'm stuck here, I want an Expo. I do want an Expo. I've got all those except for Rage and Expo. I got all those except for Giant Skeleton. Got all of those. Now I have the Lightning Spell. Have all those except the Goblin Barrel. Now I have all those because I just got my baby dragon a couple of days ago. Yeah. I've got all these except for P.E.K.K.A, Freeze, except for the bottom 4. The rares and the legendaries. Alright guys, so yeah. That's the shout out. Khalil and Mad Dog. That's my friend Ethan from school. You might actually see him in some of my Clash of Clans videos soon. I'm trying to talk him into joining my clan. Mine and Aframbi's clan. Alright, let's do one more tag. I'll wait for him first because I don't have really anything good. No, I don't use that yet. I'll put the Tesla. Oh, not there. I'll put it there. I'm gonna put it up some. 8, 9. My 3 best troops, in my opinion, right here. That's the easy dub. That's a quick dub. And I didn't even get to use my. I didn't get to use my lightning spell. Alright, you know what, guys, we're gonna get. I'm not playing until I get the crown chest. I will get a crown chest in this video. That wasn't very smart. So I can just put this guy right here. And this guy right, oh, he's doing quick spawning, or whatever that thing, whatever it's called when you just spawn a bunch of troops down, which is a pretty good tactic sometimes. Depends on who you're playing. With me, I have people that have troops that can print that, like my giant skeleton, not my lightning, my Valkyrie, that prevent people from effectively doing that. Get that charge. Oh. 8, 9, 10. I'm just gonna ignore him because I know my guys can take him. Put the Valkyrie out there. Come on, Valkyrie. Oh, this guy's about to get raged. He just kind of tiptoes up there. Oh, but not that. Rude is what I call putting minions on top of a Valkyrie. You know, I used to do it all the time before I took it out of my deck. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No. Oh, he won. Dang it. Alright. I said till I get the A, I gotta hard rider. Alright. So I need a little bit more. 9. I need 2 more crowns. I'm gonna get him this round. Oh, he's level 4. I'm definitely gonna get him this round. Good on my stomach. Wow. I just ate. I don't know if y'all heard my stomach growling or not. Could it sound weird if I just said that's my stomach? Valkyrie, you about to get wrecked, baby Valkyrie. No, actually my Valkyrie's about to get wrecked. Never mind. But I can put that down. Oh, is that Valkyrie still alive? Alright. I was gonna say. Oh, you didn't kill them all. I'm gonna wait till I get 10, and I'm gonna put down my hog and my dragon, and then save up the rest for my prince. Or no. See, why do people always want to go just go ruin your plans like that? He won't make it. He won't make it. He won't make it. Yeah, what I say. Oh, there's my hog too. And not have any damage. No, come on, guy. Come on. Yeah, you're gonna laugh at me. You know what? Screw you. Oh, I got my 2 though. Yes. Alright. Alright, guys, time to pray. Get the gold, alright. Come on. Gems. Come on. Giant, don't need that. Come on. Give me the Inferno Dragon. Close. Inferno Tower, close. But not no cigar. Close, no, but no cigar. Inferno Dragon right here. Fudge. Alright, guys, maybe next video. Yep. Alright, guys. I guess I'll see you on the next video.